Welcome to Module MK8. Use stories to make offers human. Stories help people understand change in a way that a list of features cannot. In this lesson, you will build one short story that connects a real problem to a useful outcome. The goal is not to manipulate emotion. The goal is to make the offer feel human and understandable. The customer should remain the center of the story. Your business may provide guidance, tools, or support. The person still makes the decision and does the work. Tell the story in a way that respects their agency. Your offer is the bridge, not the hero. Use 3 parts. First, describe the challenge in plain language. Second, explain the choice or action that changed the direction. Third, describe the practical change that followed. Keep the story focused on one lesson. You do not need every detail. After the story, explain what the example teaches. Connect that lesson to the problem your offer addresses. Then give one clear invitation. You might invite the person to learn more, attend a workshop, download a resource, or schedule a conversation. Let the next step fit the level of interest. Use customer stories only with permission. Change identifying details when appropriate and approved. Do not improve the result to make the story more dramatic. Be clear when a story is a composite or general example. Trust matters more than a perfect marketing moment. Now complete the human story builder. Pause the video if you need more time. Write one challenge, one choice, and one practical change. Add the lesson the audience should understand. Choose one next step that connects naturally to your offer. Review the story for accuracy and permission. Publish or test it within 48 hours, then save the structure. An approved story can support posts, emails, workshops, proposals, and sales conversations. It allows others to communicate the value without inventing a new explanation each time. That is how story assets support founder freedom. Before you continue, complete the builder and test one story. Save the approved version, then move to the next lesson.